In this video, I'll be showing you how to publish your Base44 app directly to the App Store. Now Base44 doesn't have this built in, so you will need to do it in a different way, and I'll be showing you all the steps you must take in order to do this in this video. So first, just you want to open up the Base44 project that you want to publish to the App Store. So for example, I've just got this one right here, a simple fitness tracker. Now from there, what you want to do is first publish your app. That will publish it as a normal web app. Now from there, what you can do is click on the share icon, and here under URL you just want to click copy. Now you want to go to this website right here, appmyweb.net. So all this website does is turn a web app into a mobile app that can be published directly to the App Store. So from here, just click start now and just create an account. After doing that, click create app, and then here give the app a name. So just choose the name that you want it to be published under, and then here it says link to your website, paste in the link to your Base44 app. Now for the theme, just select the main color of your app or website here. This one doesn't really have one, but I'll just select blue. Now for the layout template on Base44, you want to make a preview as phone right here, and you can see this one is just one page, but sometimes you will have these stripes in the left where you can open it up and you see a bunch of options. Sometimes you have a menu at the bottom or at the top, and that is basically what you are selecting here. So here you have the tabs at the bottom and a bar at the top. Sometimes you only have a bar, sometimes you have the drawer, which is with the 3 lines, but mine is basically just blank, so I'll be selecting blank. You can then also set the title color. I'll set it to white and then click continue. Now from there, it's going to generate a preview once you click run preview. For this, it uses Expo Go, so just open it up. And then here you should see the app as it is as the website. But what you can do in here is go to the design, where you can change your theme color. You can change progress indicator, the pull to refresh, enable or disabled. You can set it to a dark or a light theme. You can set permissions, navigation, and basically choose all features that your app needs. And then from there, what we can go and do is just click save changes. So after you're done, click save changes. Now from there, if you actually want to go and push this app to the App Store, you want to go in here and click unlock all features. Then here you can bill monthly and just choose starter monthly. And here the plan you will need is going to be pro monthly. The reason for that is here you have Android and iOS. You can also publish right here, except for on Mac, but you can publish on the App Store. So you must click upgrade to pro and then click upgrade now. Now from there, you will then have the ability to publish this app to the App Store, and they will then do it for you. So that's basically how you can publish a Base44 app to the App Store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.